Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is my menu for November and my shopping list. And I've got all of my stuff together here that I'm going to need. I've got my shopping list, and I've told you before I've got this on my computer, so I just have to check off what I need and write in a few odds and ends if I need them. Since this is November, I already have my Thanksgiving menu done up, and I'll be putting what I need for this on my list. And from what they say, this is going to be the most expensive Thanksgiving. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do, but I'll figure it out. Okay, this is another sheet that I have on my computer, and I just print them off. Actually, I print them off in December for the next year. Okay, I have everything written in, and I'm just putting Happy Thanksgiving for Thanksgiving Day because I do have the menu. I have to do this just to keep organized because now that I'm up and around and I'm cooking more and really starting to feel like my old self, so yeah, I would like to really get more organized with this. I've got most of the menu written out. I'm really trying to save money, especially with the holidays coming up, because well, because there's a lot of stuff I want to get the baby. I can't help it. As far as my son goes, he usually just gets a couple of gifts and money. He's easy. The baby is going to be tough. So, we had rigatoni and meatballs with a salad tonight for dinner. So tomorrow we're going to have meatball hoagies using the leftover meatballs, because Mondays are going to be pretty much leftovers. And here we're going to steakums. I have a package of steakums still in the freezer. We're going to have that with hoagies, or as hoagies. Leftovers and meatball hoagies, leftovers. Tuesday, this is Meatless Tuesday, and I'm going to have shrimp, and my husband loves shrimp. I mean, I like it. I prefer red lobster, but you know, we're going to have shrimp. And Wednesday's going to be pretty much chicken day. I have got a lot of chicken in the fridge right now, or in the freezer, so yeah, I'm going to use that up. We're going to have chicken mashed potatoes with gravy and corn. Chicken and tater tots, which are my husband's absolute favorites. They just make my sugar go sky high. So I'll have that chicken in a salad, but I would like to make him happy. We're going to have breaded chicken. This is homemade. I'll bread it myself with home fries, which is my husband's favorite. So he's going to be pretty happy on Wednesdays. There's chicken and buttered noodles and green beans. I'll have the chicken and green beans. He'll have the buttered noodles, and so will my son. Like I said, Thursday they are planning on this day for band practice. So I'm going to have pizza and a salad. And, of course, there's Thanksgiving. I'm kind of not sure what to do on Fridays. Soup and sandwiches probably. My husband loves the Lipton chicken noodle, and we just add to it. Like I add more bouillon and more noodles and more fine noodles. So he has enough left over for lunches. And I'm going to have grilled cheese, and down here I'm going to have bacon cheeseburgers. I love plain hamburgers with nothing on it, with green beans or with a salad. So I'm going to make him bacon cheeseburgers. I'm not sure what all I'm going to have on Saturday. I can no longer eat hot dogs. They are my absolute favorites. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I used to sit and just eat cold hot dogs. But they swell me up so bad that 1 week I had to use a Lasix. So I'm not going to do this anymore. No hot dogs. I'm making macaroni and cheese because of the baby. He absolutely loves macaroni and cheese. Not sure what I'm going to have with it. I may just have a plain salad. But it'll all depend on what kind of mood he's in too. So that's pretty much my November menu and the Thanksgiving menu. And now I get to start filling out the shopping list. And like I said, instead of me going almost $400 for a month, I'm going to try and get this down to around $300. And it's just so I can have a decent Thanksgiving meal. I know a couple of my friends are having turkey breasts instead of a whole turkey because it's cheaper. So I haven't quite decided on that. I know my son really likes the turkey legs, so we'll have to see what I do with that. So I'm going to start filling this out and I'll let you know when I'm done. Okay, I got the shopping list done. I'm going to get a couple packages of the chicken breasts, and it's going to be, I get the big pack, at least 4, usually 6 breasts in there, so that'll make a couple meals each package. 1 turkey. Don't know if it's going to be a whole turkey or if it's going to be turkey breasts. We're going to have to compare the prices, because when we were in Walmart the last time, a butterball turkey was $1.98 a pound. We got them for under 80 cents a pound last year, so we're going to have to really look at that, because I'm not paying $25 for a small turkey. That's all there is to it. I'm not doing it. I'm going to get a couple packages of shrimp, and this is the frozen raw or frozen cooked shrimp. And basically all you have to do is thaw it out. And my husband, the soup mix, that's the Lipton soup mix. I have 1 package that has 2 envelopes in it. I want to get another one, and that way I'm fixed for the month. Green beans, I want to get a couple more cans of green beans. Pizza sauce, I have some. I'm going to get a couple more because Del Grosso pizza sauce is hard to find. And when I find it, I usually buy several. I mean, the last time they had spaghetti sauce on sale, I got a whole case. So, yeah, I'm not prepping, but I am getting what I can. Tomato sauce and tomato paste, these are a couple other things that are hard to find, at least in Walmart. I know if I go to Aldi's, I can find it. And now that I'm actually starting to get around really well, we may go to Aldi's. Gravy. My son loves the chicken flavored gravy, so I'm going to get that. Albacore chicken, or albacore tuna, I have had a really hard time finding. I usually get 10 at a time because my husband takes them in his lunch. They haven't had any for the last over a month. So I'm always on the lookout for that. I get sugar-free peaches for my husband's lunch. They have them, they're sweetened with Splenda, and it's Walmart's brand, and they're really good. They've got pears too, and you can get the fruit cocktail in cans. So yeah, I'm going to get that. And cranberry sauce is not something I usually have on hand, and I'm going to grab that as soon as I see it. Let's see. California mix, I only have 1. That'll be gone before Thanksgiving, so I'm going to get another one of those. Ice cream. My husband and I really like the no sugar added Klondikes, and that's our late night snack, the 2 of us. So yeah, I'm going to get 2 packages of that. Macaroni and cheese. We tried Walmart's brand, Great Value Macaroni and Cheese. They have 2 different kinds. They have extra thick and they have original. So, and they're only 35 cents a box. That hasn't gone up yet. So I've been trying to grab both kinds as long as I can. I need soy sauce. I just used the last of it when I made chicken fried rice for my son's birthday. And I need some salad dressing. Peanut butter, and they have Walmart brand, great value. No sugar. It's sweetened with Splenda, so it's sugar-free, and it's really good. I was really surprised. I thought it was going to taste like this, sugar-free. No. With them sweetening it with Splenda, that's really good. I do need a package of Splenda, because I've been drinking a whole lot of iced tea, homemade iced tea. And, of course, we need cat food and cat treats. And dairy. I need 1 thing of milk, because I already have a couple in there, and the baby's not drinking as much milk as he used to. I want to get a couple packages of eggs. We did get some when they were on sale, but like I said, we go through a half a dozen between the two of us every morning. So, yeah, we go through a lot of eggs. So I always get them. Mozzarella cheese I need for the pizza. Sugar-free Jell-O pudding. My husband takes that in his lunch. Pizza dough, yeah, I need a couple of those. A couple pizza crusts, or pie crusts, because I do make, anytime I make pizza, I make an apple or a cherry pie, because it's the same temperature. I like having it on hand. Besides that, I need it for Thanksgiving. I need a couple loaves of bread and 1 hot dog and 1 hamburger buns. I think I still have hoagie buns. I'll have to check. As far as junk food goes, I think I told you my husband really loves the Cheez-Its, but he likes the Great Value better because they're actually lower in sodium. And I just opened my last bottle of Excedrin, so I want to get some backup with that, because God forbid I run out of Excedrin. That's going to happen to me one time, and it'll never happen again. I do need hair dye, because the roots are starting to come in. And I want to get a couple of salad mixes, but I'm only going to get 2, because they do go bad after a while. So if I just get 2 for this week and 2, I'll get fresh next week. Cucumbers, I love them. The baby loves them. And I cut them up and stick them in a bag, and I grab them as a snack. So, yeah, I make my little cucumber spears. I need potatoes for the mashed potatoes and home fries and all the other good things. Bananas. I love bananas. The baby loves bananas. I can have a tiny one or a half of a large. So when the baby's here, I'll split a large one with him, or we get the real small ones. Paper. I always get a toilet paper, paper towels, and a 4-pack of tissues. Just because if they have it, I'm going to grab it. Because I cannot tell you how many times I have walked into the store and they have been out of paper products. Everybody stocks up on them. So I always make sure I get it so I have some left over in the cabinet just in case I need it. As far as the cleaning stuff, I only need a can of cleanser. And the spick and span is getting harder and harder to find. I can find the refills at the Dollar Tree. Now they have Comet. Comet doesn't quite smell as good, but it does just as good a job. And it does disinfect. And the only other thing I want to do is order the sugar-free pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. And that way it'll be there for the week of Thanksgiving. But I think that's about it, and I'm not going to get any stuff that I don't normally get. Like I said, I'm going to be really careful, and we'll see how I do. So, this should save me money, it should save me time, and I've got a whole month to make sure I get everything I need. I mean, I would rather do it in one shopping run, but Yeah, I have a month before Thanksgiving, so hopefully I'll be able to get everything I need. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.